we're going to practice with some of your vocabulary. So I'm going to read it and then you say the word before I can show it. An exact location looks like this. You may have said dot, but it's point. A dot, a point. It's about the same thing, but it means an exact location, the spot you make. Okay? A point at the end of a ray or line segment. Try to cover it up. It looks like that. That's an end point. A line with one end point that goes on forever in one direction. So it looks exactly like what I showed you on the last one, except this was the end point. This whole thing is a ray. A straight path of points in a plane that continues without end in both directions and has no end points. So we really say it has no beginning, no ending, and goes on forever. It looks like this. A line. And if it is a part of a line that includes 2 points called endpoints and all the points in between them. So it's just like your line, but it has a starting and an ending. It's a part of a line, a segment, line segment. Okay? A figure formed by 2 line segments or rays that share the same endpoint. So it looks like this. That's an angle. Okay, this is an angle and it measures exactly 90 degrees. What kind of angle is that? Looks like an L. Right angle. What is an angle that measures greater than 0 and less than 90 degrees? So if this is my right angle, it's smaller than that. It's like a little baby. Acute. It's such a cute little angle, acute. Okay, and what's the angle that measures greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees? Obtuse. All right, this one, by the time you watch this, you may or may not have learned this one, but somewhere in practicing with this video, you will have learned it. This is an angle that measures exactly 180 degrees. This is a straight angle. So it looks exactly like a line segment. It just does not have the end points. So it may be something like on a shape that you would measure, and it'll be 180 degrees. It's just straight across. Okay? This is the point where 2 rays of an angle or 2 or more line segments meet. We're going to use this mostly with shapes. It's like the corner there. It's a vertex. If there's more than one, like on this full shape, these are the vertices. Okay? Thinking about lines, 2 lines that are always the same distance apart from each other and they never meet. They are parallel. And then lines that meet or cross each other and they form a right angle. What kind of lines are those? Perpendicular. Good. Keep practicing those. Use the cards that are in your classroom. Use really anything. Make little vocabulary cards, something to match them, and practice those so you're sure you know those words.